we're going to talk about some awesome things in this video on how to be more productive. My name is Remy Keene, and if we haven't met yet, it's great to meet you. Productivity is so important, so stick around till the end of the video because all these tips are going to be so important for you to be more productive in whatever you put your mind to. Number one, prioritize. Make sure you prioritize whatever you're doing, putting the most important and need to get done now things first, and it can wait and it's not that important to the very last. If it's very important, but it can be set aside for a little bit, rank that second, and then if it's not important but you want to get to it, rank that third. Rank fourth everything that is not important and you don't really have to get it done. Using that ranking system will make it much easier to achieve what you want to achieve, being prioritized in the right order. Next, sleep more. Make sure you get enough sleep, and sleeping will actually help you re-energize and get focused and be able to stay interactive and on time with what you're trying to accomplish. If you're without sleep and you're lacking sleep, in no way are you going to be ready to attack what you want to do. Instead of pushing yourself into the late hours of the night, make sure you sleep, and that will help you use your time more productively. Next, I might offend some people, but reduce your social media use. Some social media use is good and can inspire you. You can be a part of a group that, motivates you, or a part of a group that helps you learn something new. Those are great things. But when you're just scrolling, whatever, to find some sort of fulfillment or just fill your time, that is not a good use of your time. Instead, brainstorm. Use that time in a good and productive way, and you will see good things come from that. It's so surprising how much more time you have when you actually recognize how much time you've spent doing other things, like Facebook and Twitter and, all of them that are out there. Make sure you are focused on what you actually want to be focused on instead of what's on your social media feed. Next, harness technology. There's so much technology out there that is beneficial to you. I can just think of Evernote. Evernote is a really cool app that you can use. Not a sponsor, but absolutely a tool that I suggest to use. I've used it for a while. I got an iPhone, so I use that note template now, but there's some things that I really miss on Evernote. Speaking of the Apple, if you own an Apple device, absolutely use those reminders and those task managers and countdowns to just remind you to do things. I remember so much more now that I have reminders set in my phone than what I used to not recall at all. So make sure that you use technology to make sure that you're on the right path and getting the stuff done that you need to get done. Next, productivity starts when you wake up. If your at-home life isn't put together and organized and well taken care of, then going to work, you'll be thinking about those things at home. So make sure that you're not only organized at work, but also at home, and that will put you on a better path to becoming more productive at work and at home. You need to be productive in all the areas of your life so that you know how to continue going when you face something coming your way. So if you get unorganized in one area, make sure you focus on that area until you're back to organized again. This will definitely help you continue to be productive in every area. Basically, being more productive gets you to where you want to be in less time. We all should value time very, very much in our lives. So if you value your time, work on being more productive so that you can get the most out of your day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. If you want to click subscribe, that would be awesome. Consider that. Also, down in the comments, let me know, where are you lacking in productivity and where do you think you can improve? Let me know. I'd love to hear that story. Until next time, I'm Remy Keene. Have a wonderful and blessed day.